What if one kitchen appliance could replace your air fryer, toaster, dehydrator, convection oven, and even your slow cooker? Today we're reviewing the Breville BOV900BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, one of the most popular premium countertop ovens on the market. It features 13 cooking functions, Element IQ Smart Heating, Super Convection technology, air frying, dehydrating, and a spacious interior that can handle everything from toast to a full roast chicken. But with its premium price tag, is it actually worth buying in 2026? Let's find out. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is designed for people who want maximum cooking versatility without relying on a full-size oven. Whether you're preparing breakfast, baking desserts, roasting vegetables, air frying chicken wings, dehydrating fruit, or even slow cooking meals, this appliance is built to handle a wide variety of cooking tasks. Its brushed stainless steel finish also gives it a premium look that fits well in modern kitchens. Let's start with the cooking technology. The biggest highlight is its 13 pre-programmed cooking functions, including toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm, air fry, dehydrate, proof, and slow cook. Breville's Element IQ system intelligently directs heat where it's needed using multiple independent heating elements, helping improve cooking consistency. The Super Convection setting increases airflow throughout the oven, reducing cooking times by up to 30% while promoting crisp, evenly cooked food. This makes it especially useful for air frying and roasting. Capacity is another major advantage. The spacious interior can accommodate multiple slices of bread, a large pizza, baking trays, or even a whole roast chicken, making it practical for both individuals and families. The integrated LCD display makes selecting cooking modes, temperature, and time quick and intuitive. It also includes several cooking accessories such as air fry baskets, oven racks, baking pans, and broiling racks, allowing you to start cooking right out of the box. The interior oven light lets you monitor food without opening the door and losing heat. In everyday use, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro delivers impressive cooking performance across nearly every cooking mode. Toast comes out evenly browned, baked foods cook consistently, roasted meats develop excellent color, and air-fried foods achieve a crispy texture with less oil than traditional frying. The Super Convection system noticeably speeds up cooking while maintaining even heat distribution throughout the oven. Its large capacity also makes meal preparation much more convenient, especially for families or anyone who cooks multiple dishes at once. Overall, this appliance performs more like a compact premium oven than a basic toaster oven. So, is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro worth buying? If you're looking for a premium countertop appliance that combines air frying, baking, roasting, dehydrating, slow cooking, and much more into one machine, this is one of the best options available. It's especially recommended for home cooks, busy families, meal preppers, and anyone who wants to reduce reliance on a traditional oven while still enjoying professional quality cooking performance. Although it's more expensive than standard toaster ovens, the cooking versatility, premium build quality, spacious capacity, and consistently excellent results make it a worthwhile long-term investment. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of kitchen appliances, smart cooking gadgets, and home essentials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.